Hello, everyone, and welcome to JJ Squad. Today, I'm on my daily cleaning with Calypso and Skittles. First, before I get started, well, they want to say hello too then. I don't think they're going to let me get it out. First, before I get, let's try it one more time. First, before I get started, I just want to apologize to my viewers and subscribers for not posting like I've normally been posting. I've been feeling pretty sick. You know how it is when kids start going to school. I got 3 kids. One kid gets sick, and then the next following week, the other one gets sick, and you just be exposed to all that. But that's one reason why I haven't been posting. But don't worry, JJ Squad will be posting a lot more than ever. But let's go ahead and get started, man. Daily cleaning, man. You already know what time it is, man. Where's my trash bag? Got my trash bag. Gonna clean up all the mess. All the food trays are somewhat empty. Throwing it out. There's still some good food in here. That's still good too. Well, one thing I have noticed, man, my birds are very picky for some reason. I normally don't have this problem. Well, I do. I used to have this problem. Usually, I get them the natural food, which is a certain color. It's like a tan color, instead of opposed to getting them the colorful food. When I get the colorful food, man, they just pick a certain color. But for some reason, they are picky what they eat. So it seems like they only eat nuts, peanuts, pretty much anything in the shell they'll eat. Sunflower seeds, they'll eat it in the shell, but just the random unshelled sunflower seeds, they don't even eat them. And as you can see, Calypso doing what he does best. But what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna do something different, man. I'm gonna go ahead and let him out of the cage. Let him free roam. Free roam while I clean up. That sounds good? Y'all already know where Calypso is gonna go. Calypso is gonna go over there behind the cage and mess with the food over there. But while he doing that, I'ma just clean up the cage. Let me pull it down a little bit. My bad, y'all. I'm getting the cage. I'm cleaning the cage right now. Had a lot of excess food at the bottom. I got these puppy pads here, right here. As you can see, Calypso want to play, but she don't know. Daddy got to clean up. I got to clean up, which y'all messed up. Starting my life over again. Leave that alone, but y'all know don't really got no Wills brothers around here though. Once again, I just want to say I love these puppy pads. It's convenient for me. I don't have to do too much. I have to open up, spread out, on to the next. She haven't been pooping lately on the side of her cage, so that's a good thing. I mean, he hasn't been pooping that much. He hasn't been pooping, so I can reuse that. Let's come over here and let's look at I'll let y'all look at Calypso while I clean the bottom part. She want to get into every frame. Look what he done got into, y'all. Look what this joker done got into. I'm finna show y'all. He is just having a field day over here. He done got into the food, getting what he want to get. All right, let's get back to business. Just want to show y'all that. Every time I come over there, he stop. That's something different. I haven't seen that before. Oh well, let me leave that alone. I gotta find out what is he doing. Is he trying to form a nest or something? I don't know. I'm curious about that. I'm gonna have to look that up and ask some of my bird breeders. What could that be? Oh, she flying over here now, y'all. She's climbing back there. She just want to spray her wings a little bit. Good morning. Let me let them see you. There she go, y'all. Almost done, y'all. I gotta get these toys from the bottom here. Some of them be having that doo-doo on there, and I don't want her to pick up a toy and put doo-doo on it. I will be cleaning the cage probably on Friday or Saturday, so I'll do a video on that. To show you before and after, how dirty it is, how caked up it is down there, and watch my pressure washer do its work. So I do a variety bag for them. It has a mixture of everything that they need. And I give them 1 cup each. And when I give them 1 cup each, I'm gonna give them about 4 of the peanuts. Now the only thing left for me to do now is just sweep and refill their water. I always give them clean water daily. If I see that it's pretty bad in the evenings, then I change it out. But for the most part, I have the water to the top, away from everything, because a lot of times they'll eat and then go straight to the water, and their food be inside the water, and then it just makes the water pretty bad. So for the most part, I got it to the top to try to eliminate it. It does not eliminate it completely, but it does help. Compared to having it on the same level of the food, it's worse. But for the most part, once again, I appreciate everybody for watching my channel. Like I said, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting like I normally been posting, but I got some new material that I'm gonna put out. I think y'all gonna love it. If not, let me know, but I think y'all gonna love it. Just comment. Let me know what y'all wanna see. Be mindful. I don't know everything when it's pertaining to all macaws or being a breeder, but it's a learning progress for me. I'm happy for it. I'm looking forward to the future. And we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Other than that, oh my bad. JJ Squad signing out.